Let's make Mexican bean dip. This recipe makes 6 servings. For this recipe, you will need 1 15-ounce can of non-fat or fat-free refried beans, a 1/4 cup of mild salsa or your favorite salsa, and 6 ounces of baked tortilla chips. You will also need 1 plate, a medium bowl, and a large spoon. First, always wash your hands and the surfaces before working with food. Then mix the refried beans and salsa into a medium bowl. Serve the dip with chips. Enjoy! Refrigerate leftovers immediately.